There are 5 oceans in the planet Earth. In each of the 5 oceans, there are sea life. Pacific Ocean is located in Asia, Australia, and a place called Americas. The sea animal that lives there is Pacific white-sided dolphin. They be in groups called herds to get food. Pacific white-sided dolphins live or out in the ocean and next to the shore. They are known to be fast swimmers. They are 7 feet long and weigh 399 pounds. The color of Pacific white-sided dolphins are gray, black, and white. Atlantic Ocean is located from Europe to Africa and west of Americas. The sea animal that lives there is Atlantic blue tuna. Atlantic blue tuna has small scales called dromodententes. They are shaped like submarines. Atlantic blue tuna's fins are what help them to swim in the ocean. Their height is 7 feet tall and weigh around 545 pounds. The color of the tuna is blue, gray, and white. The color Atlantic blue tuna often match with the sea. They are in groups called schools. Blue tuna get food in schools and travel in the winter for migration. Indian Ocean is located north of Asia, west of Africa, and east of Australia. The sea animal that lives there is the pufferfish. Pufferfish size is around 60 centimeters and they weigh around 4 kilograms. The color of pufferfish is tan, black, brown, yellow. And out in the ocean, they eat plants around their habitat. Pufferfish prefer warmer water and fresh water. They have fused plates in their mouth instead of teeth. Pufferfish have dorsal and pectoral fins, help them swim in the water in any direction. Pufferfish blow up like balloons to protect themselves from danger. Southern Ocean is located near a narrow ditch next to an island called South Georgia and Sandwich Island. The sea animal that lives in Southern Ocean is macaroni penguin. Macaroni penguin are called macaroni because of the orange feathers on top of their heads. They are fast swimmers at 249 miles an hour, and they are great divers. Macaroni penguins molt, change feathers 1 time in a year. The size of them is 70 centimeters and they weigh 11 pounds. The color of their coats is black, and they have white bellies. Arctic Ocean is cold body of water on top of the world in the North Pole. It's a small area of ocean. The sea animal that lives there is a beluga whale. Beluga whale sing like birds to communicate. They can dive 20 minutes and deep in the water. When they are born, belugas are gray, and when they are grown up around 7 years old, they are white. Beluga whales can make their heads go up and down or go from one side to the other. Their foreheads are called melons. Beluga whales weigh around 1,999 pounds.